Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi responds to Shadrack Sibiya. Let us listen to this clip.
The statement was later withdrawn and amended that there's no crime intelligence in South Africa, or in fact it's operating at a very, very limited capacity. How did you react to that?
Let those who do crime learn when it's time for us to handle. There's a lot of things that are wrong with income intelligence, and by and large, and I've said it in Parliament, the problem is at the head office of crime intelligence. This is not head office. This is on the ground. That's why when the members on the ground need resources, head office must supply these resources. If they don't bring these resources, these members on the ground get frustrated. But by and large, the members are doing what they're doing to make us create a safe environment. The shooting that happened on the 3